back. In this class we are going to create a list program which will split alternate elements into two different lists. This can be done even without using loop. So we will see both the ways, using loop and without using loop. Let us go to Python. Accept a list of integers from the user, split alternate elements into two different lists and add their total as their last elements. I will be accepting a list directly from the user. My lst is equal to eval of. This is the method it will intelligently take as we give. If you want to know more about this method, please visit my previous video. Input of, enter the list. Now I will be in need of two different lists to put the elements. So I say lst1 equal to empty list. Similar way lst2 equal to empty list. I will also have to update the total at the last. So for that purpose I take s1 is equal to s2 equal to both as 0 in the beginning. I will be using loop here. Later we will see without loop. So for ind in range, I am going to take the len of my list, len of my lst. So according to the index only we are going to take the elements and put it in the list. If ind mod 2 equal to 0, then first index going to be 0. So 0 divided by 2 is 0. So first element will go to the list 1. Let us put that in the list 1. For that purpose we will be appending. So lst1 dot append of, so my lst in the square bracket index. We also need to take the sum of all these elements. So s1 plus equal to my lst of ind. In case the position is not even, then we will put that into other list. So else, I just copy these two lines. This is list 2 and this is s2. Now we need to append the total. Once the loop is completed, s1 will have the total of first list, s2 will have the total of second list. That we need to update to the list 1 and list 2. That part coming out of the loop, lst1 dot append of s1. Similar way list 2 we will update s2. Now we will print both the lists. Print lst1, print lst2. Let us run the program. I am giving the list directly here: 4, 7, 12, 87, 90, 34, 56. So now if this is my list, first element that is 4, third element, then fifth element and then seventh element will be there in the first list. That is 4, 12, 90 and 56. 7, 87, 34 will be in other list. With that, even you could see the sum is updated. Let us check how to do the program without having any loop. So we don't need this complete set of code. I am going to directly slice the list. That is my idea, nothing else. If you want to know more about the slicing, you please visit my previous video, then come back here so that it will be very clear to you. Otherwise it will be difficult for you to understand. So now my list of I start with the 0th element and then I traverse until the last, slice until the last. My step is 2. So it will take 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Similar way, my, lst. The slicing starts here from 1 is 2 until the last when I don't mention it, and then the step will be 2, so that it will be starting from the position 2, that is index number 1. Now even I don't need these two. Instead of that, I will directly give sum of lst1. Similar way here, sum of lst2. So these sums are getting appended in the list 1 and list 2. Then we are going to print. That's all. It is so simple. Let us execute this. 6, 5, 4, 8, 2, 1, 9, 45, 23, 67, 90. So you could see that alternate elements are updated in two different lists and the total is available at the end. Hope this was very clear to you. If you are having any doubt regarding any program or you want any new program me to explain, please comment so that I will be doing the program or clarify your doubt. Keep watching my channel, keep practicing and keep learning. Let us meet in the next class. Thank you.